In this tutorial, we are discussing about how to use random access files. So what is random access files? This random access file class is used for reading and writing to random access file. A random access file basically it is behave like a large array of bytes, and it is a class which is used for reading and writing the random access files. So there is a cursor implied to the array called file pointer. By moving the cursor, we do the read and write operation in random access files. If end of file is reached before the desired number of byte has been read, then EOF exception is thrown. It is a type of IO exception. So it is recommended to use the throws of IOF exception. Here are some constructor which is used in random access files. Random access file string mode. So basically it is a constructor in which takes two parameters. First one is file parameter and another one is string parameter, which creates a random access file stream to read from and optionally to write to. The file is specified by the file argument. Second one is random access file string name string mode. It also takes two variables arguments. First one is string name and the other one is mode. It creates a random access file stream to read from and optionally to write to a file with the specified name. Here are the some list of methods which is used by random access file. First one is void close. It closes the random access file stream and releases any system resources associated with the stream. File channel get channel. It returns the unique file channel object associated with this file. Int read int. It reads a signed 32-bit integer from this file. String read UTF. It reads in a string from this file. Void seek long poj. It sets the file pointer offset measured from the beginning of the file at which the next read or write occurs. Here are some other methods also. That is void write double v. It converts the double argument to a long using the double to long bits method in class double, and then writes that long value to the file as an 8-bit quantity high byte first. Next is void write float v, same as double. It converts the float argument to an int using the float to int bits method in class float, and then writes that int value to the file as a 4-byte quantity high byte first. Void write int b, it writes the specified byte to this file. Int read. It reads a byte of data from this file. Long length. It returns the length of this file. Void seek long poj. It sets the file pointer offset measured from the beginning of this file at which the next read or write occurs. Let's see the code how we implement the random access file in Java. Example of random access file. So first of all, we import the java.io.io exception and java.io.random access file. And then we create a class, that is public class random access file example. And inside it, first of all, we create a final static string file path and give the file path name as myfile.txt. And here I create the my file path, and here I write this class is used for reading and writing the random access file and stored it in the location where my Java file is saved. And then inside the main method we just print the inside the try we just write the system.out.println new string read from file, and here up to 0 to 18 from the file path, whatever we write here in the file path from 0 to 18 it will be print here. So from 0 to 18 it is up to this class is used is print inside the console. And then write to file path I love my country and my people. So after that, I love my country and my people from 31st position will be written there. That is in this file after 31, 19, after reading and this line, that is I love my country and my people, is written there. And then catch exception and then e dot print status. Again we used a method, that is private static byte read from file, where we take three parameters: file, path, position and size. So with the help of random access file is equals to new random access file, first of all we get the position of the file path and its position r, and then file.sig position, and then the new byte, that is size, and then read all the bytes and then close this file. And after that we again use a write to file, where we provide the file location from where this file should be written, and then we write the file, the thing that we want to write here, with the help of write to file. We just save it and execute it. We are already in our file location, so just write Zavak random access file example.java, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java random access file example. See, up to 18, that is this class is used. Up to here it will be printed. Now let's check the my file, and here after this, that is after 31st, this class is used for reading I love my country and my people, and then ILE. So here it is overwritten as that. So in this way the random access file can be used to randomly write anywhere in our file. Thank you.